Hello friends, today we will discuss the law of independent assortment. It states that the alleles of two or more genes separate independently of each other during gamete formation. In 1856, Gregor Mendel, an Austrian monk with a scientific drive, began his experiments on heritability. He chose the pea plant to study how certain visible traits, such as the color of pea plant, yellow or green, and the color of flowers, purple or white, and the plant height, tall or short, would be passed on to little pea offspring. In Mendel's paper, he proposed three laws of inheritance: the law of segregation, the law of dominance, and the law of independent assortment. Mendel proposed the concept of factor that controlled traits. These factors inside plant cells would segregate during gamete formation, which is basically the law of segregation. Now, an organism will have two alleles, differing in the combination of them, since each cell has two sets of chromosomes. When the alleles are the same, it is called homozygous. Capital P is homozygous dominant, while small p is homozygous recessive. Those plants that have homozygous composition or genotype are called true bred or purebred. When the combination of alleles is different, it is called heterozygous. Like capital P and a small p is a heterozygous. Now, two other important terms are genotype and phenotype. The combination of alleles that an organism has is called the genotype. The physical measurable outcome is called the phenotype. In a heterozygous scenario, the phenotype, that is physical outcome of the trait, will be that of the dominant allele, a purple flowered pea plant in this case. So Mendel started with two purebred pea plants, one with yellow round peas and the other with green wrinkled peas. He crossed these and saw all round yellow peas with the genotype capital Y, capital R, and small r. This was Mendel's first generation of offspring, and hence it is known as the F1 generation. Now, Mendel crossed the F1 generation with themselves, like F1 crossed with F1. The offspring from this generation are called the F2 generation, since they are the second generation. What he saw here was a specific ratio emerging 9:3:3:1. So there were 9 round and yellow pea plants, 3 round and green plants, 3 wrinkled and yellow plants, and 1 wrinkled and green plant out of every 16 pea plants. This ratio popped up repeatedly when Mendel performed the same experiment with different traits. The only way this was possible was if the two traits didn't affect each other. So this becomes easy to visualize through a Punnett scale.